Hello everyone. Today I was looking into my spooky shed and then I found this. A bird's nest. I'm gonna look inside it and then those are birds. What the hell? Okay. Those are baby birds. They look terrifying. Alright, I'm gonna get another look. Ooh, those are kind of cute, but they don't have any skin.
Their eyes, they're looking for food right now. They want food.
They look like hairy grandmas. It's a bird nest. And I don't know what to do about it. And it's also living in my in my shed. And literally every time I walk past that door over there, a bird comes flying out and it scares me. Aren't baby birds like blind? Yeah, I think they're blind. Oh, I can see them from here. This is my view right here. That's awesome. Now I'm gonna try to find a worm. No, I'm not. But what was that? I have the Thanos glove.